enthusiast and some sort of sports historian.
President Museveni nagira ngu omuntu yaza kuba omusinguzi omu by'emizaano ashemere kuba aine emicwe mirungi kandi ari kutiina ruhanga n'abanyuma eby'emizaano babaase kubisinguriramu.
You heard what Mama told you. First of all, the fear of the God, of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Okutiina ruhanga amayizi numuga atandikira. Fearing God and trusting Him and asking Him to bless you whatever you are doing.
Nagira ngu okunywa amara okuzombwa amaraye okurwana ebyo byona tibiri kutambura kurungi na n'eby'emizaano ngu kandi ebi nibishisha amagara g'omunyamizaano.
Secondly, discipline. Omwenge, alcohol, owamalaya, promiscuity, fighting and all that, they don't go well with sports, of course. And they can ruin your life. So really sports must go with discipline and the fear of the Lord.
Abazaani ababire bari aha mukoro ogu nabo abayetabire omu World Athletics Championship omuri Budapest, Hungary, ahamwe na nabo abayetabire omu National School Teams, ahamwe na National School Teams ezayetabire omu Federation of East African Secondary School Sports Association, and President Museveni atabarusize team zona ahabogumana zikora je zikaletera Uganda yaza ahamapu okumara emyaka mingi. President Museveni agarukire yagira ngu eby'emizaano biriyo nibikora kurungi omu ihanga.
I ordered that everybody who is doing well in sports should be recruited into the prisons, into the army, into UWA.
President araganise abantu bona aba abari mu by'emizaano naija kugira obushagiki obuyabahereza ari kugira ngu obwahati hariho ebintu ebariyo nibatekaho kwebitari bimwe na bimwe kwena ngu babase kureba ngo abanyamizaano batunga omushara.
Whoever has been diverting the money has been storing the money for the beneficiaries. Because now we are going to pay them the full amount of what they didn't get, they will get. The three levels, gold medal, 5 million, silver, I think 3, and bronze 1.
President Museveni agarukire yagambira abashija na n'abakazi abari kwetaba omu by'emizaano ngu government eriyo neza kubateraho basi ha buri muzaano omu ihanga. Ahari kugamba aha mukoro ogu Mama Janet asimire abanyamizaano aba ahabo kugira ngo nibakora kihango.
The World Athletics Championship hosted 195 countries, and Uganda was ranked the 11th out of the 39 countries that won medals.
Agarukire yahiga aba okureba ngo bayongera gukora mnonga ari kugira ngo ikintu kija kuheraho abanyamizaano aba okugira hibahika ahagutireho omuri Africa ahamwe na no munsi yona.
We gather here to exalt the name of our Lord as we celebrate the team of 20 athletes who represented Uganda at the World Athletics Championship in Budapest, Hungary, as well as the teams from the Federation of East Africa Secondary School Sports Association, who represented Uganda at several international games. Please clap for them again. And clap for our. We would do nothing.
Janet Museveni ahigire government okureba ngu yayongeza sente ezeby'emizaano ari kugira ngu obwahati aba Uganda Athletics Federation nibatunga sente zikwingana billioni 3 ekyari kugira ngu zishemerire kongezibwa zikahika ahari billioni 10. ogu agarukire yahigabona abinakakwate omubyemizaano kureba ngu bafayo munonga ahari Federation of East African Secondary School Games komuringo gumwe ogwo kubasa kugira ngu babonjeze aha kasente ngu kandi kibahwere okubasa guma nibasingura emizaano endijo ahanshonga ekwatirine na nokutungura ebintu ebirikwera abebyemizaano Janet Museveni agizire ngu obwahati ekishayi ekya Mandela Stadium enkora eyibakikoziremu ngu na nebindi ibija kukoraho kwena ngu abemizaano babure kibaye kwasa. Justice Mugisha ori president wa Uganda Secondary School Sports Association asimire President Museveni ahamwe na Mama Janet omwihanga.